In this video, we're going to look at how you can create an electronic calendar for your Advent assignment. So your task is to make an Advent calendar. So first of all, go to your Office 365, log in, click on the calendar icon, and you will come to this page here. This is your normal calendar. For this one, we're going to create a second calendar. So click on the Add, call it Advent, click Enter. And you'll notice here, if we click on Advent now, I have two calendars. That's my normal calendar. This here is my Advent calendar for the assignment. Now what you need to do is you need to clearly mark on the colours of the candles. Okay, so Advent begins on the fourth Sunday prior or before Christmas. So this is Christmas Day. So this here is the Sunday prior or before Christmas Day. There's one candle here, 2, 3, and 4. So let's add the first candle in here, which is violet, and it represents hope. So let's create a new calendar event, and we're going to type in here violet candle hope. Now to show that's violet, we can actually change the colour. If we click here, we can change it to purple to indicate that it's a purple calendar, and the category will show up here. Then select Save. Let's add a second one. Right click, New. This candle is also violet, and it represents, also say violet candle, and it represents peace. Again, change the colour to purple, select Save. Right click, add a new one. Now this candle here is the pink candle, and it represents joy. Categorize it as there's no pink, so let's click red. Save. Right click, New, violet candle, and it represents love. Okay, let's look at the next thing that you need to do. Oh, I didn't color code that, so we can edit that. If you click on that, select Edit, Categorize, Purple, Save. The next thing we need to do on your assignment is for each week, for the 7 days, you need to think of ways you are going to help others on every day. So in week 1, you need to think of ideas of ways you can bring hope for a just world. So here, I'm going to right click, select New. Now what could you do to bring hope for a just world? Well, first of all, I might choose to pray for justice. Categorize it as purple. This time what we're going to do, we're going to add an email reminder. Okay, we would like to have a reminder sent to myself, and I would like it one day before. Message to be sent here, I could write in here, pray Save. So now I know on my calendar I need to pray for justice, and I'm going to be sent an email reminder. Let's add another one. Right click, New. What else could I do? I might donate to charity. Categorize it, it's purple. Add an email reminder. I don't want it 2 weeks. You could play it with 1 day before. And save. And you keep going all the way through. Now each week you need to think of different ways that you can help others during Advent. So week 2 is ways you can bring peace. Colour code that with violet. Week 3, which is the pink, but we chose the red, ways you can bring joy. And week 4, ways you can bring love. Also, you can add onto your calendar Christmas Day and think of something you are going to do for others